Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what ports your Apple laptop has and what each monitor accepts. This determines the adapters you need. Once done, pick a strategy. A dual-display Thunderbolt dock is simplest, or use one direct connection and one adapter. Make sure monitors are powered and set to the correct input. Prepare cables and any drivers the dock requires. Having everything ready avoids backtracking and speeds the next step. Now you physically connect. Plug the primary monitor into the best native port, then attach the second through the adapter or dock. Once connected, power both displays and choose their inputs from each monitor's menu. On the laptop, open System Settings displays to detect screens. If one doesn't appear, unplug and reconnect that cable and try a different port. You'll see arrangement boxes. Drag them to match real positions so your cursor moves naturally between screens. Finish by configuring resolution, scaling, and arrangement in displays so text and windows look correct. Pick Extended Desktop unless you want mirroring. Make sure refresh rates and color profiles match your workflow. If something fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Swap cables and restart the Mac with monitors connected. This forces redetection. If problems persist, update Mac OS and any dock firmware, or test each monitor on another device to isolate the faulty component.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.